Nice container wheels.
Here's a Broadway.
Yeah. Little pipe. Nice looking passenger train there. Burlington Northern. Yeah, this is a nice little layout.
Hey Jim, look.
Yeah.
Wow, that's not just hit. Somebody just hit that train.
Yeah. All this stuff comes apart.
It's crazy.
Yeah, nice. See the old locomotive over on the other side?
I get it in a minute.
Find your plants and everything.
All the food they get, one day you almost think they get big ones. Yeah.
That's a big. There's a working oil rig.
Yeah.
Can you imagine being at PDX and that should have been out in the middle of nowhere?
Yeah.
Hey, where are my chickens here?
Let's run out the car and dump these off so we ain't got to lug these around, okay?